Welcome to Nexus Chain. Here we discuss blockchain, crypto, Web3, and future technologies that can change the world. If you want to stay one step ahead in the digital era, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Do you truly own your data and digital identity? In the Web2 world, everything we do, posting on social media, online transactions, and personal data is controlled by tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Amazon. They have the power to delete your account, sell your data to third parties, censor information they don't like. But in the Web3 era, we hold the control. Today we'll discuss what Web3 is and why it matters. The importance of decentralization. How Web3 could shape the future of the internet into something freer and more transparent. So what exactly is Web3? On Web1 static era, 2004. The internet was still primitive. We could only read information. Web2 social era 2004 present. We could interact and create content, but big platforms control everything. Companies like Google and Facebook collect our data and make billions from it. Web3 decentralized era, the future. The internet without intermediaries, censorship, or corporate control. Data and digital assets are truly owned by us. Web3 allows us to control our own data without fear of misuse. Transact without banks using crypto and smart contracts. Create freely without fear of being blocked or censored. Most importantly, Web3 puts the power back in our hands. How does Web3 work? 1. Blockchain, the foundation of Web3. All transactions and data are stored on a decentralized and transparent network. No central servers, meaning no single entity controls everything. 2. Smart contracts, automated transactions without intermediaries. Allows agreements without third parties, such as buying a house without a notary. Everything executes automatically and securely on the blockchain. 3. Cryptocurrency and NFT, true digital ownership. Crypto enables transactions without banks or traditional financial institutions. NFTs provide verifiable and tradable digital ownership. Web3 creates an internet that truly belongs to its users. Web3 isn't just a concept, it's already happening. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Store, borrow, or invest crypto without banks on platforms like Aave and Uniswap. Decentralized social media. Platforms like Lens Protocol and Farcaster enable social media without algorithmic control. GameFi and Metaverse. Blockchain-based games like Decentraland and The Sandbox are creating new digital economies in virtual worlds. Many startups and big companies are already moving toward Web3. While Web3 is revolutionary, there are still major challenges ahead. 1. Government regulation. Many governments are not ready to accept crypto and blockchain. They are still trying to regulate and control this technology. 2. Mass adoption. Web3 needs more users before it can fully replace Web2. 3. Security and education. Many people don't understand how Web3 works. Scams in the space make people hesitant to trust the system. But one thing is certain, Web3 isn't just a trend, it's the future. We are entering a new era of the internet. Web3 isn't just about blockchain or crypto, it's about digital freedom. You control your own data and digital assets. You can transact without intermediaries. You're free to create without fear of censorship. Now the question is, are you ready to join Web3, or do you want to remain controlled by Web2? The choice is yours. What do you think? Will Web3 replace Web2, or is it just a temporary hype? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates on Web3, blockchain, and crypto. Nexus Chain. Stay ahead in the future.